Hey, what's up, high levelers? In today's video, we're going to learn how to use conditional logic in forms in GoHighLevel. So conditional logic can help you with two things. One is it can help you to qualify or disqualify leads, and it can help you to redirect users to different pages or show them different custom messages once they have completed the forms. So let's jump into GoHighLevel and see how we can set it up. Alright, so once you're in your sub account, head over to Sites and then under Forms, click on Builder. Then click on Add Form, so you can either start from scratch or use a template from GoHighLevel. I'm going to pick this one right here and then hit Continue. In this example, I'm going to create this form for a health insurance company, so I'm just going to type that here, and then we're going to customize a few things here. So let's first delete this picture and add in another one which makes sense for this industry. So I'm just going to drag this image here. Choose a file. I've already got one image here, so let's select that one real quick. Then I'm going to add some contact fields here. So let's go with the full name here and then also add the phone number. We already have the email here, so full name, phone, and email. I'm going to make all of these required since this is the information that we definitely need. Then because our background is dark, so let's make this text white as well, which is fairly straightforward. So now I want to add some custom fields here. So based on the answers, we can qualify and disqualify people or send them to different pages if we need to. So let's go ahead to custom fields right here, then click on add custom field. In this example, I'm going to use drop down single because I want them to select a yes or a no answer. Then I have this question that I just pasted here. I'm going to group it under general info, and then I'm going to give two options, which is yes and no. And then once this is done, I will hit save here and this custom field will be created. Now, if you give it a few seconds, you will have that here. So let's just drag that into our form. Now, as you can see, it is not displaying the label here. So in order to do that, we'll click on this styles and options button on the top right, and then make sure that we show the labels. And then if you scroll down all the way to where it says label here, I'm going to change the color for the text from black to white. Now that we have got our first question here, I'm going to add a couple of more. So once you've got all your questions here, you're going to click on this icon here right next to the plus button, which says add conditional logic. Once you click on that, it will give you these options. So as you can see right now, we have three different types of actions we can take. So for redirect to URL, what you can do is based on an answer, let's say I'm going to pick this one right here, which is have you been diagnosed with certain conditions? If it is equal to yes, we can send them to this landing page right here and hit save. But let's go back to redirect to URL here again. And let's say if they answered no, then we can send them to a different landing page. So based on the answer they give, once they complete the form, you can redirect them to a different kind of page, which can really help you because based on the answers, you can customize the response or the landing page that they go to. And then we also have this option, which is display custom message. So if you do not want to redirect them to different URLs, you can just click this message here. Let's say if they answer no to the second question, you can change the custom message that they will get once they complete the form. So this is another great thing you can do. The last option we have is disqualify lead. Let's say if you want to disqualify the lead based on an answer they give us. So let's say if they answered yes to the last question we have here, you can show them a custom message and then disqualify them. So, you're not processing this lead anymore. So these are the three different kinds of conditions you can add in the forms now. So you can customize the responses and make sure that you're getting the most out of all the leads that you get. All right, so that's about it for this video. I hope you found value watching this. And if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comment section below and we will get back to you.